The three-day workshop targeted 30 healthcare providers in the public and private sectors to educate participants on how to identify and treat medical cases that involved gender-based violence. The workshop is funded by the Pan American Health Organization and the Canada Fund for Local Initiative and implemented by the Grenada Planned Parenthood Association in collaboration with the Ministry of Health. Dr. Tonya Frame, project consultant and professor at the St. George's University, is the facilitator of the workshop.
So it's based on international standards across UN agencies and academic institutions. And so for the health sector, for example, the essential areas are around how to identify victims and survivors of gender-based violence, right? Because oftentimes a woman or a girl goes to see a healthcare provider and they never say that they've been a victim, that they've been abused, right? So it speaks to that, how healthcare providers can engage them in those discussions. It also speaks to first-line support, if just how healthcare providers are to treat with women and girls and any survivor, men included, when they encounter them, to deal with their physical, emotional, and other kinds of needs that they might have.
Dr. Frame outlines what the 3 days of training entails.
So day one, we had Mrs. Jacqueline Seeley-Burke focusing on just contextualizing the whole issue of gender-based violence around issues of gender and gender equality and the legal aspects as it pertains to the health sector response to the different laws and policies that come into play. And today I'm focusing on the actual standard operating procedures that the health sector is supposed to follow. And tomorrow we have 3 medical doctors who were trained as part of a regional initiative in the clinical management of rape. So tomorrow they will be training their colleagues in how to provide services for persons who have experienced rape.
The workshop is also part of the Spotlight Initiative under the Ministry of Social Development. Rena Thomas, GBN News.